Friends, 2024 has ended and we are in 2025. In hoping a happy life and living, should we not audit 2024? Can we pause a little and reflect on what went by? We did not fight a single war this year. Is that good news? Sorry, there are two wars that are still raging on. One between the Israel and Hamas and the other between Russia and Ukraine. Closer home, we lost a little more than 1,600 of our military personnel, our brothers, last year, defending our borders so we can enjoy life and live in peace. Is this not an important aspect of our lives that we must reflect on? Should we not be indebted to them forever for their sacrifices? Let's reflect and answer some of these questions this Saturday. Did you know the biggest killers are not road accidents or suicides, but counter-insurgency operations? A few months back, 4 of our Jawans died. One 28-year-old of them who was to marry when he returned. The mother of another was eagerly awaiting for her young son, the only source of bread for her, to return. Largest number of army widows live in Maharashtra. Their families experience unexpected hardships. All these stories are tragic and they don't seem to end. The unending stream of bodies returning, draped in tricolor, with an eerie regularity is nauseating, to say the least. The story at home. Out there, several were killed in Ukraine. Several were killed in Russia as well. Several were killed in Israel. They were killed in the other side of the border. Even before the world came to terms with the Russia-Ukraine war, the Israel-Palestine war broke out. And with several of them killed, many among them being children, it's tragic. Some of us did experience, achieve and envision a great synergy in our lives. Though not everyone was very lucky as that. There were families that were completely maimed, be it in their personal work or social lives. Can there be a heartwarming, inspiring and significant story we would write in this year at least? One that stands out? Can we all as a community come together to support the war widows facing extreme adversity this year? Can we as a community rally together, organize fund drives, donation drives, or volunteer efforts to help them rebuild their lives? Can we do a crowdfunding for them? Can we see people from all walks of life contributing even in small ways? Can we see our neighbors offering temporary housing, local businesses donating clothes, furniture, and essentials, and volunteers working tirelessly to renovate their houses, to furnish them, and so on? The outpouring of generosity, kindness, and solidarity can provide practical support and show the families that they are not alone in their struggle. It can highlight the power of unity and empathy, bringing a sense of hope and warmth to everyone involved. Incredible compassion and resilience is what is needed, especially during difficult times. Collective efforts can truly make a meaningful difference in people's lives, dying for our sake. Every one of us will have a new story to tell this year as well. For that, we must dream. My dreams are built on compassion. What are yours built on? I dream of a world marked by collective vision for unity and sustainability. I dream of a society where the lines between nations are blurred, one that is built upon the principles of compassion, equity, equality, and innovation. I dream of celebrating diversity and embracing the culture of understanding, recognizing that our differences are actually our strengths. Technology has advanced, not just in terms of gadgets and convenience, but in ways that enhance the well being of all of us. I dream of a nature thriving alongside towering eco friendly skyscrapers and bustling urban centers, amongst all that concrete that is being built. I want education, not just for knowledge, but for fostering empathy, critical thinking, and creativity. Not just for knowledge. And I dream of every child having access to quality education, regardless of the background or location. I dream of a holistic and universal healthcare. Preventive measures and advancements in medicine must ensure that people not only live longer but live healthy. I dream of a reimagined economy focusing on collaboration rather than competition. I dream of basic needs being met for all, with people engaged in meaningful work. I dream of governance that is transparent, participatory, and accountable. Decision making involves diverse voices and perspectives, ensuring fairness and equity. I dream of leaders becoming servants of the people, in the true sense, working tirelessly to uplift the communities rather than serve their personal interests. I dream of all conflicts being resolved through dialogue and diplomacy, for the value of understanding and compromise always prevails over aggression. I dream of addressing poverty rather than discussing the billionaires in the country. Friends, I also dream of my air being filled with harmony and creativity. I dream of a society where hope, empathy, and progress coexist in perfect harmony. A world where all the human spirit thrives, united in the pursuit of a better tomorrow. Are my dreams utopian? Can my story be our story of 2025? Do you also feel the same as I feel? 3 months have passed. It's time to start an audit for this year as well. And I hope to hear from you all in the coming weeks. Until then, and until we meet the next Saturday, I remain. Thank you. Dhanyawad and Namaskar.